In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how quick steps to using your referral code on Shein. Using your referral code on Shein is a simple way to unblock or unlock discounts on your favorite fashion finds. Follow these quick steps to apply your code at checkout. Make sure you have your referral code ready. You'll need it at the checkout to apply your discount. Browse and select items and add all trendy items you want to add to your cart. Once you're finished shopping, click on your cart and proceed with the checkout page. This is typically located on the checkout page. Type in your code in the designated box, and after entering your code, click on Apply to activate the discount. Just ensure that the discount is reflected in your total amount. Once your discount has been applied, complete your purchases by providing the necessary payment and shipping information. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.